Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to start a video series. I'm going to talk about mainly Laplace transformation, right? So in this video I will give you some introduction for this Laplace transformation, and then I will do a lecture series about Laplace transformations. So at the end I think you will be able to do you will be able to solve some differential equations also, right? So in this video I will give you some introduction, right? So there are some properties about Laplace transformation, so I will discuss about these properties and also talk about a proof. Okay, so I will prove that property, and after proving that property, in the next video I will talk about an example using this property, right? So that is how I decided to do this lecture series. So after that I will talk about the solving differential equation using Laplace transformation. So in this video series I hope you will get some idea about I think you guys will get some good expression about Laplace transformation, right? So let's then discuss about what is Laplace transformation, right? So Laplace transformation, basically Laplace transformation is doing uh, what is it doing is it doing change in time variable into frequency variable. That is basically mean yeah, it's change in time domain to frequency domain, right? So let's say time variable is t, then the frequency variable is s. The Laplace transformation I can write it as let's say I want the function f2 ft up to some function like fs. So this is a function of t, this is a function of s, otherwise this is a function of time and this is a function of frequency. So basically I can change this by Laplace. So Laplace is some curly L. I can denote Laplace as a curly L. I can write this as this. Okay, so this is Laplace notation, right? Laplace notation, right? So let's write what is the definition of Laplace. So Laplace transformation of ft, I can write this as this, right? So Laplace transformation of ft is what? It is the integral of 0 to infinity. Here there is ft. Now I have to multiply it by e to the minus 60. Then I am going to integrate by dt, right? The limits are going from 0 to infinity. So I hope you guys got what I said, right? This is just a definition, right? This is a definition. So this is quite a good intro, I think. So yeah, that is basically the introduction. So in the next video we will talk about proving some properties. Thank you for watching.